The President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, graced a global summit on spirituality for clean and healthy society, being organized by Prajapita Brahma Kumarij Ishwariya Vishwavidyalaya at Mount Abu, Rajasthan, today, October 4, 2024. Speaking on the occasion, the President said that spirituality does not mean being religious or renouncing worldly activities. Spirituality means recognizing the power within and bringing purity in conduct and thoughts. Purity in thoughts and actions is the way of bringing balance and peace in every sphere of life. It is also necessary for building a healthy and clean society. The President said physical, mental and spiritual cleanliness is the key to a healthy life. We should not focus only on external cleanliness but should also be mentally and spiritually clean. Holistic health is based on a clean mindset. Emotional and mental health depends on right thinking because thoughts only that take the form of words and behavior. Before forming an opinion about others, we should look within ourselves. By putting ourselves in someone else's situation, we will be able to form the right opinion. The President said that spirituality is not only a means of personal growth but also a way to bring about positive change in society. Only when we can recognize our inner purity will we be able to contribute to the establishment of a healthy and peaceful society. Spirituality empowers many issues related to society in the earth, such as sustainable development, environmental conservation, and social justice. The President said that materialism gives us momentary physical and mental satisfaction, which we consider as real happiness and get attached to it. This attachment becomes the reason for our dissatisfaction and sadness. On the other hand, spirituality allows us to know ourselves, to recognize our inner self. The President said that in today's world, the importance of peace and unity has increased even more. Only when we are peaceful, we can feel sympathy and love for others. The teachings of yoga and spiritual institutions like Brahmakumari make us experience inner peace. This peace can bring positive change not only within us but in the entire society.